How to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can repost if your friends or someone else's Instagram story into your own story. Now, everybody knows that this specific feature is actually not available on Instagram. But here's the thing. So say for example, you're currently viewing on someone's post or someone's story. If there is a view post option, then you should be able to share it into your own story. Once you have successfully located view post, all you have to do is to tap on the share icon and you should be able to choose on this option here that says add to story. However, if that option is not available, then you cannot repost that specific story into your own. But there's actually a specific way for you to do that. You're just gonna have to view the current, you're just gonna have to view that specific story, and then you can definitely use any screen recording that you can use on your device. And that's it. That's the most convenient way of reposting someone else's Instagram story to your own.